Papasok na kami sa Cebu Pacific.
Right. Use of electronic devices such as laptops, mobile phones, tablets, and any spark-producing equipment is not allowed. Smoking is strictly prohibited. Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is being refueled. As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt and put your seat back upright. This is a non-smoking flight. The seatbelt sign is switched off. For your safety, we require you to keep your seatbelt loosely fastened whenever you are seated. This is a non-smoking flight. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying the smoke detectors located in the lavatories is prohibited by law.
Cabin crew, prepare for arrival.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now on our final descent, and the captain has switched on the fasten seatbelt sign. At this time, make sure the window shades are up, tray tables are stowed, and your
Can you
seatbelts
open
are
your window
securely
shade?
fastened. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now on our final descent, and the captain has switched on the fasten seatbelt sign. At this time, make sure the window shades are up, tray tables are stowed, seat backs are in their upright position, and your seatbelts are securely fastened.
各位旅客，我哋嘅航班
Cabin crew to landing stations.
Pacific Air welcomes you to Pagadian Airport. Time check for your convenience, it is now 33 minutes past the hour of 2 in the afternoon. We're pleased to announce that we have just landed 17 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Antonio AB assisted by First Officer Deng together with your in-flight cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board and to hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance.
Your cabin crew will stand up momentarily to do a safety-related procedure. Passengers, please remain seated.